Alright everybody, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So a very straightforward day today, which was piping out of this nurse station room in this finished area that is completely done that we finished a while ago. And I had to pipe across the half of the building for a critical circuit, those ones that I showed you a couple days ago. So I came out of this box right here, this 4-in-11, with a 1/2-inch pipe, which goes straight down the wall. So this is where I just showed you. That box is right above there. So I had to basically crawl my body up through that 12-inch little 1/3 ceiling tile. And then that's where I made that box up. And then piping out, I came across this nurse station. So there's two rooms, or two nurse stations, front and back. I'm not sure if that's the correct terms, but I came out of both of those, hit the wall, and then went ahead and came down to this corner. There was some HVAC up there, so I did a offset right there, a 4-inch offset. And then I went ahead and 90'd down, and then did like a little LB, pulling elbow, and then came into this room where I'm going to. This is what it looks like above the ceiling. Kicked a 90 off of the wall, straight down into this box. Got the wire pulled in, circuit turned off right now, and this is where I'm mounting the two receptacles down there and the data cut-in rings and PLSs. And the only problem is there is a top plate, so I'll have to drill some holes to get the flex out, get the strings out for the wire for the low voltage or whatever. So but anyways, that's what I'm going to be working on tomorrow, and like I said, it was a pretty straightforward day, just piping out to this location. Then I'm going to run my flexes into that box that I mounted with the wire. Anyways, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless, and have an awesome rest of your day. Love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.